spider webs. It's been a while since I've radio doesn't work. Let's see if the AC works. Yeah, it works. Pull up at the little store up here so I get something to drink, but the truck's been sitting for a while. I just put a new tire on it. It's on non-operation right now. I believe it's like a 2001 or something like that. It's got the 5.4 engine, you know, a couple blemishes here and there, but you can definitely use this for work. Has a couple imperfections, like look, shifter's a little loose. It goes right up just fine. And then the key, you have to wiggle the key a few times sometimes for it to go in. I mean, for it to turn. But all you gotta do is just get it to turn and then pop up and, you know, change the little part by pressing inside one of these holes right here, right there. And the whole cylinder comes out. I just don't want to do it. But it's got these seats right here, the 40, I think, what are they, 40/40s or something like that, and not a bad one. Let me step out so you can see it. I'll open up the hood. Got the nice headlights with the chrome bumper on it. Like I said, imperfections, but it is what it is. Let me know if you're interested.